This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting and validating your data so the dashboard is reliable. First, link your primary sources, Excel, SQL, or API, and inspect key fields. Once done, apply basic cleaning. Set correct data types, remove duplicates, and handle nulls so visuals behave predictably. Make sure to enable source credentials and decide on import versus direct query depending on refresh needs. This early work prevents downstream errors and speeds later modeling, which saves you time as you build visuals. Next, focus on shaping the model and crafting visuals so your dashboard tells a clear story. You create relationships and normalize tables. This reduces duplication and makes measures accurate. Then write DAX measures for totals, comparisons, and time intelligence. For example, year-to-date and percent change, because visuals depend on solid calculations. After that, pick the right charts and add slicers to enable exploration. Make sure to apply consistent colors and a simple theme so the audience can scan insights quickly. Finally, deploy and secure your dashboard so stakeholders can use it. Publish the report to Power BI service, set an appropriate refresh schedule, and place it in a workspace with proper permissions. Then share the app link or embed the report where your audience works. If something breaks, first check dataset refresh history and credentials, then inspect DAX context and relationships for unexpected results. A single troubleshooting step, review refresh error messages, usually reveals whether the issue is connection, credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.